Today I just made $3,122 on this nice setup, what we call a 1 to 12 risk reward ratio. And the beautiful thing about it is that it was a very simple setup. Let me break down to you guys step by step right here. All right, so you can see that right now this trade was actually shared in our premium signals community, which was a 9 pips stop loss and a 114 pips target right here. It was a nice drop based rally with a break of structure, liquidity right here. The market tapped into this area, went to the upside, and it came right here and took out the Asian low. And once that happened, I was able to execute this particular trade right here. And then you can see that a few moments later, after we entered, the market nearly took us out. You can see that the market saved us by a few pips right here because of using a good broker, right? Apart from that, around 9:21 right here, I was able to actually move our stop loss to break even. You can see the market was beautifully moving in our direction. And then guess what? The market just kept on going in our direction. Right here, we moved our stop loss to that level right there. Before you know it, guess what? The market was already at take profit at 1 to 12 risk reward ratio. As you can see, everything was communicated step by step in our premium signals community. All right, now let's try to understand what was happening right here. So if you come to the 4-hour time frame, let's see what happens there. You can see that the market has been bullish a little bit, and then we had a little bit of a retracement to the downside right here, which is extremely important to note. And you can see that the kind of candles that broke this structure are very significant. So this was our typical setup right here that we always trade. If you followed yesterday's gold trade, this is the exact same strategy I used. Even though I took a loss on gold yesterday, I was able to catch a win using the same strategy without changing absolutely anything. That's the reason why you have to have confidence in your strategy, guys. All right, let me show you what happened, right? So you can see that this was the demand zone, but also you can see that the market also tapped into this demand zone right here and then pushed to the upside, broke a bit of structure, and then guess what? There was an Asian session which was formed at this level right here. You can see the market now came and tapped into that demand zone, and that was our trigger. Once we had that, I was able to actually send this trade in our premium signals community, and the rest was history. We didn't do anything special on this particular trade. What we did, we simply followed our strategy that like we always do. We didn't alter anything. We didn't try to change something after a loss. We simply executed a proven edge, and that's what consistency is, guys. It's not about not losing. It's about making sure that you follow your strategy every time, regardless of the outcome of the previous trade. And that's what we call consistency right there, guys. All right, so congrats to our members of our premium signals community for actually getting this nice setup. And if you're not in our premium signals community, clearly you missed out, and you still have a chance. Right now we're still running the promotion where we are giving you guys lifetime access to our premium signals community for only $50. All right, so make sure you take advantage of that offer before it actually goes away. It goes away today, so make sure you take advantage of it right away. All right, you guys, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.